Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to import an Excel sheet into Microsoft SQL Server. Here we go. It is quite easy and flexible to import data from an Excel file into SQL Database. For this purpose we are going to use Microsoft SQL Management Studio application. Let's see how to do it in next video. This is the Excel file we want to import into Microsoft SQL Database. We will do this using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Provide the credentials to connect to the SQL database. Once connected, navigate to the database where you want to import data. Right-click the database, then click on Tasks. From the list of tasks, select Import Data option. An import and export wizard will start. Click Next. From the list of data sources, select Microsoft Excel. In the Excel file path, browse to the location of Excel file and select. You can match the version of Excel file with the given list of versions. A close match will be good enough. If the Excel file contains column in the first row, which is a usual scenario, that check this option, otherwise leave unchecked. Click Next. Here you have to specify the destination where the data needs to be copied. For SQL Server we will select the SQL Server native client. In the server name of the connected server will appear by default. To connect to the server we can either use Windows authentication or provide username and password manually. We will connect using Windows authentication. Click Next. There are two options. Copy data from one or more tables or views, or write a query to specify the data to transfer. Next. In the destination field you have to select an extension or type a new table name where data will be imported. On the left side, the Excel sheet that contains data has been shown by default. Click on the Edit Mapping button for more options. Mapping shows the source and destination columns and data type. You can rename the column and change the data type. Other options are: create a new destination table, delete and copy rows, append rows to a table, drop and recreate if a table already exists. If a destination table has an identity property, it will not allow any insertion manually. By checking this, the exact identity value will be moved from source to destination table. We will create a new table. Click Next. Here we have option to run the import package immediately or save it for later use. You can save the package either in SQL Server Database or in the file system by giving it a unique name. Click Next. This is just a recheck of what option you have selected: the fill-in name, destination table, and other info. Click Finish. Package will get execute and rows will be transferred. To see the content of the newly created table, you can query it in the Management Studio. Select asterisk from the new table name. You can see the Excel data in SQL Server table. That's it.